Location that we'll be using, you can see there's a lot of natural light over there. This is where we're going to place our subject, and there's some pretty little plants that are coming out, so I'm going to actually try to get all of them out and wrap them a little bit here just to give some more texture. And let's take a look at the props. We usually use about like 4 or 5 props just to break the scenery. I have this that I'm going to place on the floor, a pillow for the girl, my daughter, to lay on, a cute little bunny. I made this crown about a month ago. We're going to put this on her head. Little book, it's very old and vintage, that's what we like trying to go for. And then a lantern that we just made, little cuteness. Alright. And that's, oh, and look at Nani, and look at Maya. Hug bunny, hug bunny. Wave at me please, wave, wave, wave. Hi. Hi Maya, wave at me.